Okay, my last and fifth technology that I wanted to share comes from the website nasa.gov/STEM. When I taught in the classroom, the science area was not one of my strengths. And so I was always looking for new ideas of how to incorporate more engaging activities for students to learn. And as I started researching, I found this one to be really hands-on and give a lot of great ideas for not only in the classroom, but for students that could do at home as well. And so if you look on here and scroll down, there's a section for students and educators. And so you can also narrow it down by age group. And so this is the NASA STEM home for students grade through 4, 5 through 8. And so when you select them, it just goes through and gives you different ideas on how you want to learn. It gives videos, books, has resources of activities that you could do at home that would probably have the supplies at home to build. It gives coloring worksheets as well. What I liked about it was the live videos that are realistic and hands-on to make those connections. And then what I thought was really cool, and I actually showed this to both of my children that are 9 and 6, they loved listening to like the videos of the astronauts and watching from the space station to see Earth. And so those real life applications can be very engaging for students and to help them make those connections. And so I appreciated this website. I think it has a lot of useful and good information, especially when you are studying the space units like in your classroom. And this could go from kindergarten all the way up through high school. I tend to work with early childhood, so I narrow my searches down in that aspect. And it talks a lot about what you can do at home or in the classroom that is, again, hands-on activities and not without a screen. I really liked all of the different ways that you can build different, like the airplanes, the helicopters. So there was just a lot of great resources on here that I felt like could be utilized in an effective and engaging way for students and for teachers. If I scroll up, I should go back up. I wanted to go back to the for educators set piece. And again, you can go through and you can pick which age group you want to do, your grade level, and you can also pick the type of lessons to help narrow it down too. So if you're just wanting to do photos, if you want to do games, and then narrow it down by the content area too. So I feel like this would be a great resource to utilize in the classroom and help your students learn real life hands-on activities.